What is up, YouTube? Gonna try to see if I clean this fucking rust off this blackstone. Done sat for too long. Check back in. See if I've done made any progress. Alright. Step 2. Got done using this fucking thing. Alright. First coat of oil. See how this goes. Bought this little spray bottle. Doesn't fucking work though. So I'm using paper towels. Alright, there goes on the second coat. Really letting it get burned in. This sat for a long time, so really gonna get a good couple coats on here. More than 2 for sure. Gotta get all of that. It's hard to see. But yeah, man, we're getting it. It's looking good.